In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restyle a deck safely using designer ideas in PowerPoint. If you want your slides to look polished without breaking your brand consistency, this approach will guide you through designer in a safe, controlled way. First, apply your theme before touching designer. Go to the Design tab, choose Themes, and apply your approved theme. This locks in your brand fonts, colors, and default layouts, so whatever designer suggests will inherit the right styling. If you're not sure which theme is approved, pick the one your team already uses or the file was built on. Think of the theme as the foundation. Setting it first prevents mismatched colors or unexpected font swaps later. Next, open Designer on a copy of your file. Save a duplicate using Save As and give it a clear name so you can tell it's the designer version. Then, in the Design tab, click Designer. Working on a copy protects your original deck from changes that can be hard to undo once you've moved through multiple slides. If a design path doesn't work out, you'll still have the untouched source to fall back on. Now, use Designer one slide at a time. Select a single slide and browse the ideas that appear. Choose the layout that best supports your content and purpose. Avoid applying a suggested style to the entire deck at once. Slides often have different content structures, and a global restyle can misplace elements or crowd your visuals. As you go, check that charts, images, and icons still read clearly. If a change isn't helpful, undo it and try another idea rather than forcing a look that doesn't fit. Finally, check the layout integrity after applying a design. Go to Home, then Layout, and confirm that your text boxes are still recognized as placeholders tied to a layout, not just regular shapes. Placeholders keep your deck consistent and make future edits easier. If any text turned into plain shapes, try reapplying the correct layout from the Layout menu. If needed, use Home Reset to nudge content back into its placeholders. When that doesn't restore the structure, copy the text into the appropriate placeholder manually to keep everything aligned with the theme. Follow these 4 habits. Apply the theme first, work on a copy, go slide by slide, and verify placeholders. And you'll get the creative boost of designer without compromising your deck's structure. Save your progress regularly, and you'll have a clean, on-brand presentation ready to share.